Hi, and welcome to the video, How to Add a Blog Article to the LICCDonate.org website. This is a website built on the Shopify e-commerce platform, and we're using the Paradigm theme. Hi, this is Don Metznick, and if you have any questions about this video or would like to connect with me, go to my website, metznick.com, or you can reach out to me at don@metznick.com. Now, before we get to the video, I prepared a type of cheat sheet for you. These are the things that you're going to see in the video, and here are the steps that we're going to take. There are really 3 steps, and the first one is preparation. Now, what I like to do is to put all of my content materials together and save them before I actually go online and create the blog. This just saves a lot of time and effort and a lot of frustration. So the items that you want to think about saving would be the article itself, and it's very important to save the article in the plain text format. Saves a lot of errors and coding issues once you publish it. Decide on the title tag and article tags. You'll see where these things come into play. The title tag actually is important for Google to tell the viewer once the search on the web is completed what the specific article is about. Article tags are for internal purposes and just helps individuals find articles according to the specific subject titles that you've labeled them with. I like to have my photos already into the image editor, and I'll show you how to do that. It's a fairly simple process. And also any call to action buttons, for example, donate now. Have these things uploaded, and then all you have to do is just select them and insert. One last item is link URLs. For instance, if you wanted to link a call to action to one of your pages where you have items for donation, you can find the URL very easily, but if you happen to write that down on this one single document page, it's just going to save a lot of time and effort. The next step is the inputting stage. Now, once you log in and you go to the admin, you want to go to the blogs and pages section. You'll find that up in the title area. The important thing here is that you want to select write a new article. You're not creating a new blog, you're writing a new article. Once you've gone through the process of putting down the title and editing it, and I'll show you how to do that, what you want to do is select whether you're going to publish it or save it as a draft. You can preview it, and that's certainly advisable. But you have the option to publish it, making it go live, or saving it as a draft when you can refer back to it later on. Regardless of what that decision is, make sure that you select post article. You'll see the button for this. You've got to do this even if you want to maintain it in draft form. The last step that we're going to talk about is publishing if you've saved it from draft, or if you've actually put it live, how you might want to edit it. And the key thing here is to go back to blogs and pages, scrolling down. I'll show you where to find the blog articles, locate it, click on the article and edit it, and then you can go ahead and publish it. So those are the 3 primary steps that you're going to be seeing. Are you ready now for the video? Let's go. Okay, let's put a test blog together. So you've done the preparatory work, you're online, you've gone to the website, you've logged in. I want you to go to the store admin and go to blogs and pages, click that, and then I want you to go to write a new article. That brings you here, the new article window. So you could start typing in an article title. You can put the content here, except if you've done a little bit of that prep work, you can make it this easy. So for example, here's my headline. I'm going to copy and paste. Just makes things easier, I think. I'm going to go back to the content. Pick it up here. Here is the body copy that I want. I'm going to paste it here. It's that simple. If I wanted to add, this is a fairly typical online editor. So let's say we wanted to write or add some additional content. Add more content here. We'll do that. And I can bold it, italicize it, change the color, you know, all of those handy dandy things. Typical online editing software. Some of the other things that I'd like you to look at is, let's say that we want to put an image in. Let's say we'll put it right over here. Insert image. Now, if you need to get a new image, you just go here, browse, go to your desktop, go to your window file, select an image and upload it. I've already added one, and I'm going to upload my granddaughter. Let's make it medium size. Click insert, and there it is. Simple as that. You can see that it's in between some of the copy. Let's also say that you wanted to add a call to action, like donate here. I'm going to put it in the bottom. I've created an image in JPEG form. I've uploaded it already. So let's go to where the library is. It's in the uploaded images. And I'm going to select this one, donate now. I'm going to insert it. I'm going to select this size, compact, and there we go. Now, one other thing that you may want to do, actually you really want to do, is let's say link this to a page. I want to link donate now to our collection area where people can go and select what they want to donate for. So I've highlighted the image. I'm going to go up here. It's the insert the link. Now I happen to know specifically what that page is, and it's liccdonate.org/collections. It can be anything. You can go online and get a link to an article, some other page online. But this is how you do it, and it's really simple. So this is now a live link to our collections page. So whenever someone goes here and they click onto this, they'll take it to where we want them to donate. Some other things that we talked about. The modify title tag, very important. Some people call this the meta description. Really important so that when something is searched and comes up, you'll get a description of what it's all about. So you click there. Now I'm going to go back to the content that I already have, and I selected this. I already created it. I'm going to copy and paste this title tag. Let's do that. I'm calling it Poverty in Suffolk County Has a Face. It could be the face of your next door neighbor. What you want to do with the title tag is write it like actual conversational words and put in some keywords like poverty, Suffolk County, for example. And then you'll also want to go down here and add tags. Tags help the viewer search for specific subjects within all of the different articles. I have created some tags over here. I'm going to add this group. Okay, simple as that. And you can also add existing tags over here. Let's add hunger. You see that it pops up. Now the default for visibility is published. I don't want to publish this yet. I want to keep it as draft form. So I will select draft. And I'm going to post the article. Even if it's in draft form, you're going to post it. So here it is. And let's say I like it, or I want to make some changes. What I can do is go back into the draft, make some change. Let's say I want to eliminate this line. And I do that. I'm going to go back, and I will update article. And there we are. Let's say that I wanted to edit it. Remember, we're in blogs and pages, and you'll find the article in the blog section. That's all the way down. And I want to preview this before I do anything else. We'll click preview. It'll show up here. That's what it's going to look online. Now, this is not great, but let's say that it's acceptable for right now. I'm going to go back. And what I would do is change this to published and then update article. But I don't want this to go live. This is only a test, so I'm going to leave it at draft. Update it, and there we have it. So let's go back and say you're at the store You've created the draft and you want to actually go in and make some changes. It's either live or it's not, but you want to make some changes. So we go to Store Admin, Blogs and Pages, and we're going to go all the way down, and here we find the blog article that is still in draft form. Click here, edit, change the heading, change the body copy, images, all of that, and we either publish or just update. So that's where we are. That's how easy it is to create a blog article. I hope this video has been helpful on how to create a blog article on the LICC Donate website. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, don@metznick.com. And there'll be more articles coming in the future on how to help manage and optimize this website. Talk to you soon. Bye now.